Hello everybody, so today I will talk about calculus. The topic today is the integral. So I will show the technique how to answer. We need to use about integration by substitution. So we have u equals to 3x plus 4 du equals to 3ds. Because in here we don't have the number 3, so we got about du over 3 equals to ds. So this one we change to u, ds we change to du over 3. Now we can get the final answer is about 1 over 3, and we have u to the power of 11 over 11 plus c, and we got about u over 11 over 33 plus c, and u we need to convert back to 3x plus 4. And this is about the final answer. That's it, the end. Thank you for watching.